Lenkulumo bekubhekwe ukuthi iqale ngehora lesibili ntambama, kodwa ke lizela gamanxa engabonwa ungqongqoshe wezemali. Kuthe kusenjalo usomlomo wePhalamende wathi isihlehlisiwe.
We have decided to adjourn proceedings for a date to be determined by the programming committee.
Lokhu akwehlanga kahle kwamanye amalungu ePhalamende.
Let the budget be presented here and let Parliament decide that this is the decision that we are taking as Parliament.
If let us wait for an indefinite postponement, what does that mean? And what happens if after that indefinite postponement, they come back again and then let's postpone again? We are going to have more and more postponements. Makazi apa sizele lonto apa.
Kunezinsolo zokuthi lenkulumo ihlehlisiwe ngoba kungavunyelwananga ngokukhushulwa kwentela yempahla ngo2%.
We hear very disturbing rumors that the VAT would have been increased by 2%. In other words, we hear rumors that this ANC-led government wanted to impoverish our people.
IDA kanye namaqembu angaphansi kweGNU akwemukele ukuhlehliswa kwalenkulumo.
It's very, very clear that the parties in the GNU are not yet settled on the budget that would speak to a growth, jobs and economic advancement agenda. There were some concerns around some of the proposals in the current budget.
Bekungokokuqala ke emlandweni ukuthi kuhlehliswe inkulumo yesabelo mali selokhu lelizwe lathola inkululeko. Amaqembu angekho ngaphansi kweGNU athi lezi yinkomba zokuthi ziyayishuka imbodla kulomshado.
There is no government, it has collapsed, it has no capacity to present a budget.
Icacilo nthwena ya chwatle ya rwali. Nthwela ya phihle kanga rwa. Sebachulo ba ka bana le lona ba nna le safe. Ha tle mona tlo bua setjhaba se moemetse.